Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, before we dive in, I just want to ask that if you find this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button because that does give me direct feedback that I'm being helpful to someone. And if this job lead is not for you, please pass this along to all your friends and family by sharing this video so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life, having that great work-life balance. Today's job lead is from the huge shipping company DHL. But they are looking for a customer service representative. This is remote for the United States. Now, this seems to be paying very high for a customer service representative, but DHL is one of those private shipping companies. You'll basically be helping customers with all their shipping needs. You're going to provide them with information in response to inquiries and about the products and services of DHL and resolve any problems or issues that they have. Now, these issues might be related to invoicing, rates, international proof of posting, domestic and international tracking, research for their account maintenance. This can be through email and or inbound or outbound telephone calls. You'll assist sales representatives with customer requests. You'll provide various types of customer reports on both an ad hoc and scheduled basis, including savings reports and international processing reports. You'll act as a liaison or go-between between the company and clients regarding any administrative details such as postage balances, mailing schedules, and general account status. So these are people who use DHL to provide postage, mail things out, and you're just helping them with their all-around counts. Now, one thing to note, this customer service position does give you the authority to do customer balance adjustments up to $100. You'll also be resolving international and domestic mail hold issues. So if mail is on hold, you'll help get that moving again. Now, best thing about this position, they're only requiring a high school diploma or GED and 2 to 4 years of related work experience. So they only require customer service experience, no other experience, no actual shipping previous experience is needed. They do want you to know how to basically use a computer and use those Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel, and Outlook. Have great communication skills, be a critical thinker, and be able to manage time well because you are going to be having to solve problems for the customers. Now, let's talk about pay for this position. Pay is always dependent on the skills that you bring to the table and your specific location or state you're in. However, pay is anywhere from $20.52 an hour all the way up to $32.83 an hour. Now, DHL is also offering a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision insurance, paid time off, and 401k with a company match. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Remember that sharing is always caring, so please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.